I, Vijay Victor, welcome you, my dear students, in the e-learning class of physics, e-learning class of physics of class 10. And this is the doubt class of physics numericals, because I have taught you spherical mirror and refractive index, beginning of refraction and refractive index. So some of your friends have solved NCERT questions and they tried from S. Chandu, and they have asked some numericals from this book. So I am going to take some doubts, and this video is dedicated to the doubt class, just for a brief revision of the term or the thing which we are going to use. Now we know that what is the mirror formula? Mirror formula, that's 1 upon P plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, and the formula for the height of image, that is equal to minus P upon U to the height of object. One more thing I would like to share with you, that it is very important to use the correct sign of sign convention, which I have explained in one of my previous class and this e-learning video. So I am going to take question number 18 of page 199. Page 199, question number 18 is a physics numerical of S chart. I am going to read out the question. An object 3 cm high is placed at a distance of 10 cm in front of a converging mirror. So two information here given. An object 3 cm high. Then 3 cm, what is this 3 cm? It's the height of the object, and we know that height of the object is always positive, that is plus 3 cm. Is placed at a distance of 10 cm in front of a converging mirror. Converging mirror is a concave mirror. So that object distance is placed at a distance of 10 cm. Object distance, you have to remember that it is always negative irrespective of any mirror or any lens. Object distance हमेशा बच्चों क्या होता है? Negative होता है. In front of a converging mirror of focal length 20 cm, find the position, nature and size of the image. Focal length we have given 20. Focal length is given 20 cm. F is given 20 cm. Then we have to find the position. We have to find the nature of the image, and we have to find the size of the image. Three things we have to find: position, nature and size. Now just a few things I would like to discuss with you. Here you have given object is kept 10 cm in front of a concave mirror whose focal length is 20 cm. So what is the position of the object? According to the sixth position which we have discussed and practiced in the ray diagram, what is the position of the object, where the object has been kept? कहाँ रखा गया बच्चों? In example, F हमारा 20, F is minus 20 cm because the mirror is concave. Object is kept 10 cm, which means the object is kept within focal length. Focal length के अंदर रखा हुआ है. Means the object has kept between P and F. This is the condition number 6. So what is the nature of the image? That image is virtual, erect and magnified. Magnified मतलब इस 3 सेंटीमीटर से वो बड़ा बनेगा, मिरर के पीछे बनेगा, erect बनेगा. This was our theoretical knowledge. This theoretical knowledge we have to prove in this practical problem. Now here we have to use the mirror formula. 1 upon P plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now here 1 upon P plus U is -10 and f is equal to -20. So 1 upon b minus that side become plus, that is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. So here 1 upon b is equal to LCM is equal to 20. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 upon 20. So b is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we have got one answer, the position of the image, that is plus 20 centimeter. What does this plus say tells us? That suppose this is a concave mirror, this side is negative and behind the mirror it is positive. Image is, what is the nature? Nature of क्या है बच्चों? That image is virtual and erect. अब मैग्नीफाइड बनता है कि नहीं, बड़ा बनता है या छोटा बनता है, when we find the height of the image. चलिए अब हम लोग निकालेंगे बच्चों height of the image is equal to minus v upon u into height of the object. v का वैल्यू क्या है बच्चों हमारा 20. Minus sign is given in the formula. U is given here minus 10 into height of the object is equal to 3. Minus minus cancel, 0 0 cancel. 2 3 are 6 centimeter. This is the height of the image. The height of the image is larger than, bigger than, magnified to the object. Objects के बड़ा बना देंगे. Image is virtually erect and मैग्नीफाइड, उससे बड़ा. क्लियर? क्योंकि हम लोगों ने जो थ्योरी में डिस्कस किया था बच्चों, उसी चीज को हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर उसको वेरीफाई किया प्रैक्टिकल. और अगर आप न्यूमेरिकल्स को सही बनाना सीख गए, स्पेशली दिस पार्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये जो पार्ट है आपका, दिस इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन दिस पार्ट. क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है, सिंपल एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शंस ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल नंबर, बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यू हैव टू यूज द करेक्ट साइन ऑफ द साइन कन्वेंशन. दिस क्योंकि क्लास 10 doesn't want to test your knowledge that whether you know the simplification of fractional number or not. क्लास 10 को आपसे उसकी जांच नहीं करना मांगता है. क्लास 10 wants that whether you have understood the sign convention and transforming the statement correctly into the terms of mirror. When you correctly transform into terms of mirror, this part is very easy. ये आपका न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं है बच्चों. This is more important part of the numerical than this part. चलिए मैं क्वेश्चन और लेता हूँ आपको. एक क्वेश्चन बच्चों ने पूछा था डेंटिस्ट वाला. हाँ, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 ऑफ सेम पेज. इज अ पेज 199, पेज 199, और दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. It's a practical. It says that a dentist's mirror has a radius of curvature 3 cm. दांत के डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे तो वो एक मिरर को यूज करता है अपने डिवाइस में. रेडियस कर्वेचर इज गिवन 3 सेंटीमीटर. हाउ फार मस्ट इट बी प्लेस्ड फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल डेंटल कैविटी टू गिव अ वर्चुअल इमेज ऑफ द कैविटी दैट इज मैग्निफाइड 5 times. Two information we have given on here. Dentist radius of curvature is 3 centimeter. Radius of curvature is 3 centimeter. This is minus 3 because dentist कौन सा मिरर यूज करते हैं बच्चों? कॉनकेव मिरर. F is equal to minus 1.5 centimeter. And जब जो डेंटिस्ट डॉक्टर होगा वो इमेज देखेगा दांत की कैविटी का तो सीधा देखेगा. तो इमेज क्या है? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट एट 5 times. मैग्निफिकेशन इज गिवन इन द 5 times plus 5, that is equal to minus v upon u. तो इससे अगर हम वैल्यू निकालेंगे क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? v is equal to minus 5u. Now we have to use this one in the mirror formula. What does the mirror formula replace us? 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास v क्या दिया? 1 upon minus 5u minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon minus 1.5. एलसीएम क्या होता है बच्चों? एलसीएम याद रखिएगा हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा. ये हो जाएगा 5u minus 1 और ये हो जाएगा हमारा minus 5 is equal to 10 upon 50. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे 2 3 जा यहाँ एक थोड़ा सा ये हो जाए. v is given magnified, give a virtual image of the cavity that is 5 times. Magnification is given here. Magnification is given plus 5, so that is equal 5 upon u. v is equal to हमारे क्या हो जाएगा 5. ये हो जाएगा हमारा v is equal to magnification is given plus 5. magnification हमारा हो गया v upon u, that is equal to v is equal to 5 1 upon 5u minus 1 upon u 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. अब ये हो जाएगा हमारा बच्चों minus 4 upon 5u is equal to 2 upon 3. अब यहाँ से u निकालेंगे हो जाएगा 3 into 4 upon 5 to the 10, that is equal to 12 upon 10, which means 1.2 centimeter. So where the object has been placed, object कहाँ रखा जाएगा बच्चों? In this question you are given that how far must it be placed from a small cavity, which means दांत से कितनी दूर तक रखा जाएगा उस मिरर को? 1.2 सेंटीमीटर. अंडरस्टूड? तो यहाँ पर देखिएगा बच्चों ये मैग्निफिकेशन याद रखिएगा. जब मैग्निफिकेशन पॉजिटिव होगा, जब वर्चुअल होगा हमारा, तो मैग्निफिकेशन क्या होता है हमारा? पॉजिटिव होता है. जब इमेज रियल होगा तो मैग्निफिकेशन क्या होगा हमारा? नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. ओके, तो आई टेक सम मोर क्वेश्चंस that some more questions have yet to discuss in this numericals of physics. Till then, you note it down this numericals questions in your physics copy, and feel free to ask. And later on, when the school reopens, I will start from next portion in my guidance class. All the best, my dear students.